Hey there!
Today we're going to talk about affiliate marketing for beginners.
Affiliate marketing is a process in which you can earn a commission by promoting someone else's product. It's simple and a great way to earn passive income. The first step in affiliate marketing is finding the right product. You want to choose something that aligns with your interests and that you believe in. Once you've found the product, sign up for the affiliate program. There are several affiliate networks available, like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. When you become an affiliate, you'll receive a unique link to share. The link will track anyone who clicks on it, and you'll receive a commission for any resulting sales. To promote the product, create content that includes your affiliate link. This can be on social media, a blog post, or a YouTube video. Make sure the content is honest, and that you disclose that you're receiving a commission. Another effective strategy is to create a tutorial or review of the product. This not only promotes the product, but it also helps others by providing useful information. Remember, success in affiliate marketing takes time and effort. Focus on building relationships with your audience, and always provide value. There you have it, a beginner's guide to affiliate marketing. Start small, be patient, and keep learning. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.